This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the spark plug in a 1999 Polaris Sportsman 500. The machine hadn't run in about 3 years, so initially it wasn't getting fuel. I had to pull the carburetor out, and I found that the needle that attaches to the float was all gummed up, so it wasn't letting any fuel into the bowl, and also the main jet was plugged solid, so I cleaned those two things out and it ran again. But when I put the fuel tank back in, I could see when I turned the indicator knob here to run, I just got a little trickle that came through my filter, and when I turned it to reserve, the thing ran great. So I knew I had some type of obstruction in there. When I looked in the tank, I could see some debris, but I couldn't suck it out with just a siphon. So anyway, I pulled the tank out, and when I pulled the tank out, I found the boot for the spark plug here. And I thought, the thing is 20 years old. I've never changed the spark plug, so I'll put a new plug in. So I purchased the new plug, and the gap on it is 28 thousandths. So I gapped it to 28, and now I'm going to put it back in. So based on my reading, although the manual called for the BKR5E, I went with the BKR6E for this 1999 Polaris Explorer 500. Apparently there's a heat range difference. The 5E is hotter and has potential to cause some problems later on. So Polaris changed to the 6E in 2000, and I believe used it from 2000 to 2005.